Hi, I'm Eric Judy of Judy Financial Group Incorporated. At Judy Financial Group, we strive to provide outstanding financial services to clients nationwide. And to do this, we begin by building a foundation of trust with our clients, by providing clear and informative materials so our clients can feel confident with their plans. With that, today I'm going to explain a subject I believe every retiree should understand, and that's the sequence of returns. One of the most important things with retirement planning is understanding the impact of the sequence of returns and what is really happening in retirement. And like Mark Twain said, you're more concerned about the return of your money than the return on your money, which is what this video will shine some light on. I think for many retirees, knowing what is going to happen with their income in retirement is really the key. I've got a spreadsheet here. What we've got is the S&P returns without dividends from 1999 to 2014. I'm going to circle one thing that I want you to see. Do you see this number down here, the 3.3% at the bottom? That's the average return over that 15-year period. I want you to understand something here. I'm going to randomize the returns and shake it up. I want you to pay attention to the red numbers. When I move this number around, you'll see the red numbers change in the positioning. But that 3.3% at the bottom, it stays the same. This is how the sequence of returns works. When you're in the accumulation stage, you have to understand that it really doesn't matter where those pieces are. As long as you keep saving, nothing really is going to be impacted. What really happens here, and what I want you to pay attention to, is when you start taking money out, those negative returns come into play and have a significant impact on what could happen to your retirement savings. Let's start by taking out 5% of the portfolio. Look at what happened to our 3.3%. It decreased to 1.7%. We didn't change anything. All we did is start taking out your own money. We started taking withdrawals. This is normally what retirees do. They start withdrawing from their savings. And their 401k, well, this is what can happen. Now I'm going to randomize the returns again. You see where the red numbers are now? But what just happened? All of a sudden we went from a 0.8% average return. You see, as we keep shaking it up, we have a better understanding of the impact that a market downturn can have on your retirement income. That could be extremely debilitating for most people. Is there anything we can do to prevent something like that from happening? Well, let me reset the table here. We're going to pull up a fixed indexed annuity over here. So what we're doing is taking the market risk of losing money during a market fluctuation and replacing it with a protection against downside market risk. Let's take a look. They start at taking 5% out of their portfolios each year. I haven't shaken it up yet or anything. After 5 years here, they've taken $25,000 out and are down to $56,000. But say you take the same $25,000 out on the indexed annuity side and don't have any growth throughout those years, well, now you're down to $89,000. And while you might not feel great about $89,000, you feel a lot better than you would if you were down to $56,000. What does this mean? What we're trying to do is help mitigate your downside market risks you might face during retirement. The negative returns don't always happen in the first 5 years. But when we see 3 bad years in the first 5 of retirement, you significantly deplete your savings. It'd be nice if we could preserve your wealth and keep your account value closer to the balance where we started. What we're looking at here is trying to protect your emotions as you go through retirement and mitigate your concerns over the possibility of running out of money. Hopefully this makes sense and you start to understand the importance of the sequence of returns and how it affects what happens in retirement, as well as how fixed indexed annuities can positively impact your retirement income. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and that you have a better understanding of how the sequence of returns works. Please visit our website to play around with the sequence of returns calculator and download your complimentary report. If you have further questions, please contact the office to set up a complimentary consultation and learn how we can change the equation of the sequence of returns to work in your favor.